And there you go. Those are the calls. It's pretty distinctive. You can kind of really recognize it, you know, when you're out birding, you hear that call and it doesn't sound super similar to other bird calls. So yeah, so this is a little bit of information about the Downy Woodpecker. I hope you guys enjoyed this and learned a little bit more about this bird. I hope you get to see this bird this winter, and I hope that this bird comes to your feeder. All right, thanks guys. Have a great day.